Hey guys, it's Dawn here. Story time. Oh God, what time is it? It's 4:52 p.m. The last day of 2024. And did I think that I'd be able to escape 2024 without any more incidents? I thought that okay, I'm just gonna stay. I'm home alone. I'm in my garage. I'm gonna work on some projects that I haven't been able to get around to yet. Finish up some stuff. Nice, quiet. Yeah, it'll be great, right? No more incidents. So my 3D printer has been broken for a while. There was an incident where it messed up on a print and it got all like it gathered up a whole ton of filament and it just made this huge gooey mess all over it, right? We know how this goes. So anyways, I brought it here to the garage and I've been working on getting all of that filament out, and I decided I'd use a soldering iron, and not just any soldering iron. I decided to use this dinosaur from Radio Shack like a gazillion years ago. I think this was my very first soldering iron ever, and I still have it because I keep things forever, and it still works great. You know what's missing on this thing? Any kind of safety. There is no on-off switch. There is no temperature. There is nothing. Basically, what this is just you plug it in. It just keeps getting hotter and hotter and hotter until it is like it is ready to kill people with. So anyways, I'm doing my thing. And the thing, why do I get burned all the time? Why do I get hurt all the time? It's because I squirrel. And so sure enough, I'm doing delicate work with the 3D printer. And I'm using my little dental picks and I'm trying to get this stuff. And one hand, I'm holding this, just putting it on the hot end, on the metal around the hot end, just to like keep things warm so that I can gently scrape off the filament, all of the clumped up filament that is around there. So I'm just keeping it warm. But this thing's getting hotter and hotter. And I don't know. I'm like not paying any attention to it because I'm busy. I am hyper focused on my task. And all of a sudden, I don't know, I did something and went psst like that. And I burnt the shit out of my thumb. Can you see that? So, I was like, and I quickly put I looked at it and I was seared. It's seared. It was all white. It seared my skin. And I was like, ah! And then I put my thumb in my mouth. And the very saddest part of this story is as I put my thumb in my mouth, I got a whiff of burnt flesh. And when I put my thumb in my mouth, I tasted, and I actually had the thought, wow, I actually smell and taste really good. Oh my gosh. Like, if I had to eat something, oh my gosh. No, it was yummy. Oh my goodness. Am I losing my mind? 2024. Oh my gosh. We're like getting to the end of 2024 and yet look at my poor thumb. And it's not over yet. It is now 4:56 p.m. I still have so much more time left to continue hurting myself, and I'm not even done with the soldering iron yet. I still have to work on my M103 and get him back up and running. I think I did fix my 3D printer, so yay! I think that's working now. I'm doing a test print right now. Actually, not a test print, a real print, because anyways. So let's get that going. And then but yeah, I gotta work on my M103. But maybe for that I will pull out a proper soldering iron that has safety features on it. I mean, I don't know, I'll look for a better one. Maybe I don't know. What do you think, guys? Should I throw this dinosaur out? I don't know. I kind of like you know me, I don't throw anything out. I keep things forever. And I don't know why I had the thought of, well, sometimes it might be good to have something that is not regulated and would just hit the extreme temps and like whatever. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, Radio Shack. Dangerous. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Watch for my posts. Let's make sure I can make it to 2025 in one piece. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.